Guys, I might have messed up. No! What did I do? Oh no! What a beautiful day to get some truck parts, baby. Beautiful out. On today's episode, I'm spending more money. Look at that. Buying parts for the 82 Bronco here. I wasn't gonna go for any body parts, but this local scrapper I go to a bunch has a bullnose here. Has got a clean driver's door, a clean hood. Definitely need one of those. And a moon visor. So I'm gonna go get all the stuff off this parts truck and hopefully I don't get too soaked. Yeah, I think a driver's door is needed. Oh yeah, check this out too. While I was driving, that happened. So oh, don't step there. There's a bullnose somewhere back here. So I'm getting the doors off this thing. This old tow truck. Well, down here, but there's no rust. Inside is complete. Wrong color, obviously, but I don't care about that. Window goes up and down just fine. Used to be a, well, still is, I guess, 5-speed. I think it's got the 6.9 in it. But very straight door. Cool West Coast style mirror. Moon visor, which I was going to buy one very soon anyways, so it kind of ironic that this popped up. If you guys know anything about those, they're getting very hard to find. And last but not least, we're getting the hood on this bad boy. Woo, moon visor.
This one's brand spanking new.
Oh my gosh, it is. Dude. And it's 5-lug.
Smaller 5-lug.
That's what adapters are for.
26s.
And they're 4G autos? Shoo. Oh, Bowen is about to get some 4Gs, baby. But we're all loaded up here. We ready to get out of here. We are back with the Bronco. Thanks to Dad for hauling the parts because my turret F-150 here, if you glance to the right, is still down because I'm wearing Moto's headlights. Screw you guys, your product sucks. Moon visor, hood, door, chip and seal road. That's very loud. Thanks for Venna for chip and seal because we don't have stanced out trucks that fling rocks all the way down the side of it. All right. This is literally gold. Junkyard gold. Hard to come by. We got them on all of them. Look in there. We got them on all the other ones. Like I said, I was at a scrapyard doing scrap for my work. Glanced over and seen a couple clean parts on a bullnose. And this just so happened to be on there. Very hard to come by. I'm glad I got this. Got one other body part I'm going to get as of right now. I wasn't even shopping for body parts yet. This thing's just come up in my lap. It's like I'm a magnet for them. I posted this for the very first time on Instagram like last week, and a guy DM'd me, guy local, says, hey man, don't buy a tailgate, I have one for you. So that's what we're gonna buy next. And we got quite a bit of rust-free body panels. Nice quarters. Don't worry about that. So, tailgate, let's go get it. I just went and picked up a brand new tailgate for Bronco. Never been installed, never painted. I just got a brand new tailgate. That's usually like 350 bucks for only 100 bucks. So more truck parts. Looks like this thing might have been in the barn since like 1982 when these were made for. But I don't care because I just got them for free. Long story short, I'm doing the body work on this dude's truck and he gave me free fenders and they are spotless. So we're gonna clean the bird poop and junk off of them since they've been in the barn for years and get it primed up. Turbo, hush. That looks a little better. Alright guys, as much as I would love to just throw these on the truck because they are already black, I just can't bring myself to do it. These panels are way too nice, so I'm gonna sand these suckers down with 180 and 320, prime them up, then spray paint them black, and then they can go on the truck. So I just can't bring myself to do it. They're rust free. I wanna keep them that way. I got some corrosion resistant primer. So we're gonna get these suckers dialed in before we put them on the truck. All right, we got these suckers primed up. Way too late on a work night, but who cares? It's all done. All right, guys, today's day one of working on this thing. First thing that needs addressed, besides the roof, we'll get that in a second, is the tailgate, because as mentioned before, the window will not go up. So I got some plastic up here. The mechanism in here that holds the window and the motor and everything, well, the tailgate's to ride it out. It's not able to go up because it's not mounted to anything, so it's all the way up, but there's still a gap. So I got a new tailgate, obviously, so I'm going to get this thing ripped off with the bumper because there's not much there, and we're going to see how much trouble we get into. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's how that's supposed to come out. Guys, you just gotta witness this. Oh no. No. Oh no. Oh great heavens. So this side unbolted. This side was a little harder to get to. It was a little more crunched up. So I didn't even try to undo it. So I just gave her a swift couple kicks and then that happened. This side has absolutely no floor connecting to the quarter panel. That's why she just kind of ka-chowed itself when the cat fell. Oh man. Wonder how everyone else is spending their Labor Day Monday off of work. I just opened up a whole can of worms. Oh, that's hilarious. All right, guys, work on the back is at a halt. I just wanted to replace the tailgate, but when the cap fell down, most of my floor also decided to fall down. And you can see, if I back up here, how much lower this taillight is versus that side. So this whole side just collapsed. It fell. So now what I have to do is cut this whole piece of the floor out, because this side's like that too. That's great. There's a little flappiness. So I got to cut this whole floor out, put a new floor pan in. I'm going to tube the back. My brother's doing the same thing to his, so he has some extra material for me to use. Raise this up, then the cap can go on, then the tailgate can go on. So work back here is done for now. This video was supposed to be more progress on this thing, but I just took like 50 steps backwards because now there's no floor in the back. The cap's off of it and can't go on because the quarter panel sank because of the no floor issue. And I was like, oh, maybe we'll put a moon visor on. Well, there's no metal up front. On the roof, there's just fiberglass filler and rust holes everywhere. So, no progress today. More work for me. At least I got the cap falling off on film. That was kind of funny. So, thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe. Next time we see this thing, I'll be getting a whole lot more metal. So maybe we can make some progress on this stinking thing. See y'all later. Thanks for watching.